here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial we are going to make the all DC cocoon cardigan. This cardigan is so simple. They made from just double crochet stitch and a little bit of the single crochet on the sleeve. So what you need to make is a crochet hook size 6mm crochet hook, measuring tape, yarn needle, stitch marker, and the yarn that I use is similar to Feel Like Butter from the Lion brand yarn. It's for medium weight yarn, wood weight. So you can get any kind of the for medium wood weight yarn, and then made from the polyester or acrylic. That will be fine. So let's get started. Let's get started. So in this example size will be small to medium and probably and the large, and I will have the other side in the description link below to get the writing pattern on my blog. And we will crochet this cocoon cardigan not too tight, like a bit loose. So we will start with the multiple chain of 2, and I will start with a slip knot. And then we will chain 100 chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and I will go off the camera and finish the 100 chain, and we meet you there. I am now finished the 100 chain already, and on the first round of the cocoon cardigan is we will make the double crochet in the next chain from the hooks. This one, the next chain, and we will make double crochet, only one double crochet, and in each chain across we will continue doing the one double crochet in each chain. And we keep going, make one double crochet, and I will go off the camera and finish off the one double crochet in each chain across, and we meet you at the end of the row here. Now I am at the end of row 1 of we just make double crochet in each chain across, and at the end we will chain 2, 1 and 2. Turn your work, and on round 2 and on row 2 of the cocoon we will crochet in back loop only of double crochet. So I will show you this one in the front loop, and this one is the back loop. This one front and the back. So we will be making the double crochet in back loop only. see front and the back, and double crochet in back loop in each stitch across until the end of the row, front and the back, crochet in back loop, and we will keep repeating double crochet in back loop until the end of the row. I will go off the camera and finish row 2 and meet you at the end of row 2. So you can see the ribbing that we just create here, ribbing, and this one on the other side will be look like this. So we'll see you at the end of row 2. Hi, now I'm just at the end of row 2 that we just do the double crochet in back loop. Only you will see the ribbing that we just creating. Beautiful. And on the other side, at the end, making a double crochet in the back group. At the end, we will chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and on row 3 we will repeat row 2, row after row, until we have 29 inch long. And I will go off the camera and repeat row 2 until I got the 29 inch long. Just keep doing a double crochet in back loop only, row after row. So I will go off the camera and repeat row 2 until I get 29 inch long, and I will meet you there. So now I just finished repeat row 2 of double crochet in back loop only, and I have about 29 inch long, and we will ready to assemble the piece. So now we are going to assemble the piece by we do one end at a time by fold them until they meet, each one they meet, and we will measure the armhole. We will not sewing, we will leave it about 5 inch and put the stitch marker in. And on this part we are going to sew. If you leave enough long tail, when you finish you can do it. If you don't, you just grab the new yarn and start to sew. So now we finish, and we repeat the same for the other side, and after we finish create the sewing, We will add the sleeve on the next clip. Okay, see you. Hi girl, I'm come back. I've just finished sewing both sides to create the armhole already. And now it's time to add the sleeve. Join the new yarn and any part of the armhole. And make single crochet around the armhole just for one round for the base of the sleeve. So single crochet in each space. If you see the biggest space, you just make single crochet. You don't need to make two because we will want to create some the cuff or the sleeve that look thin and tight and look beautiful. I don't know how to say it in English, but you can see on the picture that I show you of the finished cardigan. So continue to do the single crochet in each space. Just for one round. If you see this one, you just make one single crochet. We keep going, and I will go off the camera and finish make one single crochet around here, and you can put a stitch marker in, but if you don't want to put a stitch marker, that will be fine because we will crochet in the spiral. We don't need to join the round, just single crochet spiral round after round until we have the 1 inch thick of the cuff. I will see you when I finish the first round for the base of the sleeve. And now I finish one round of the single crochet around the armhole already to make the base for the sleeve or the cuff, and we will continue. We do not join round, and we will continue to make single crochet in each stitch around for maybe 3 or 4 rounds until we have the about 1 inch thick of the cuff or the sleeve, about 1 inch. 1 inch from here. So, and I will go off the camera and finish making a single crochet, and we meet you when I got about 1 inch thick. And now I have finished making single crochet round after the on the armhole, and measure up is about 1 inch thick. You can make more if you like, but I will stop it from here and cut the yarn tail and tidy up. Can be tidy up on any, just make a knot. And it's all done, and you will repeat the second sleeve or the second cup on the other side. And that's all we finished. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you make one, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creation. Bye. Have a good weekend.